Every year, a huge amount of wood waste is left behind by construction sites, workshops, and furniture factories. If it is not recovered, it can end up in landfills or be burned as low-value scrap. But this material still has value. With the right process, waste wood can become MDF board. First, the wood waste is collected and brought to a recycling and processing center. Large pieces are sorted, screened, and prepared for mechanical breaking. The goal is simple: remove what cannot be used and keep the clean wood fiber. Metal parts, nails, stones, and other impurities are separated before deeper processing. Then the wood is chipped and crushed into smaller, more even particles. After that, the material is washed and cleaned to reduce dust and unwanted residue. Clean chips are refined into fiber, which is the base material for MDF. Moisture control is very important here. Too much water can affect strength and stability. The fiber is dried under controlled heat until it reaches the right moisture level. Next, resin and additives are mixed evenly with the wood fiber. This step helps the board hold together and gives MDF its smooth, dense structure. The blended fiber is spread into a loose mat before entering the pressing line. Under high temperature and pressure, the mat is compressed into a solid board. This is where loose waste material becomes a stable engineered panel. The pressed board is cooled and moved forward for trimming and surface treatment. Sanding makes the surface smoother and helps keep the thickness consistent. Edges are cut, surfaces are checked, and each board moves through quality control. A good MDF board should be flat, dense, and suitable for cutting, coating, and furniture production. The process improves resource use by turning low-value waste into usable panel material. It also helps reduce the pressure on forests by reusing wood that has already been harvested. In modern factories, recycled wood can be processed at scale with stable output and cleaner handling. From raw waste to clean fiber, from fiber to board, every step matters. The final MDF can be used in furniture, interior panels, doors, shelves, and many other products. Instead of being discarded, wood waste becomes part of a new production cycle. This is why recycling is not only about waste treatment. It is also about creating dependable materials. For buyers, the value is in stable quality, consistent boards, and a more responsible supply chain. For factories, it is a way to make better use of available resources. And for the environment, it means less waste and more efficient wood utilization. A pile of scrap wood may look ordinary, but inside it is the beginning of a new board. After sorting, crushing, refining, drying, pressing, sanding, and inspection, MDF takes shape. That is the real value of engineered wood, making more from materials that might otherwise be wasted. The next time you see MDF in furniture or interior work, remember where it can begin. It may start as offcuts, chips, or recycled wood, but through production, it becomes a useful panel again. This is how waste wood is transformed into eco-friendly MDF board.